Cover design is a major aspect of publishing because it is the most important aspect even because a book with an attractive cover will attract a better sales online, but a book without a good cover won't attract a good sales online. So it is advisable for you to create a very attractive cover design in order to enhance the sales of your book. So for you to design a good cover, there are some things want you to look into. First, the kind of app you need to use. Normally, for those who are good in graphic design, you can use your Corridor for cover design. You can use your Adobe Photoshop for cover design. And then those are the basic tools that are very common. Adobe Photoshop, and Corridor are major tools that most graphic designers are using for cover design. But for those who are doing Kindle, you know, it is a very big aspect for you to start for you to design cover design because you have to make it fast and smart, and you have to get your tools readily available for yourself. So it is advisable that you use tools like Canvas. Canvas is a very fascinating tool. There are also other tools which I'll be describing in the next video, which you can use to produce cover design. But Canvas is a very fascinating and attractive, easy to use tool, software tools for cover design. So today I'll be introducing to you to how you can use your Canvas app to design cover page for your book. You don't need to strain yourself looking for a designer. With your mobile phone, you can design a very attractive cover design. So please pay attention as I explain to you how you can use your Canvas tools to design a cover. The first thing that you need to do in cover design is to create your page. Normally on Canvas, yeah, the major size for our book is 6 by 9 inches. 6 by 9 inches. For ebook, we use 6 by 9 inches. So we need to be very fast this time around. So I will take you straight to a new page. We're going to create a blank page. We're going to use a blank page. Let's look for a blank page, a cover page, okay? Book cover page. So we ensure that the page is 6 by 9 inches because that's the major size for our ebook, and the most popular size on Kindle is 6 by 9 inches. So let's go straight to there. It's wasting my time. Don't waste my time. So as that one is loading, I want you to take note that if you want to design your cover, there are some things that you need to put into consideration. First is the title of your book. What's the title? The title of the book will determine the concept of the cover design. Your book title will give you the concept you need for your cover design. So what is your book title? Before that, let's just try to create our book size. So our book size is 6 by 9 inches. Yes, this is in pixel. So we're going to change it to inches. Okay, sorry. Inches. Width is 6. Height is 9. So create design. 6 by 9 inches. So this is 6 by 9 inches. So the next thing we need to also take, we have created the size of the book. Most ebooks are 6 by 9 inches. This is your cover design. You can use it for your ebook. You can also use it for your paperback. I will explain to you how you can use this cover for a paperback when I teach you how to upload your books in the next video. But when we want to make a cover design, as I was saying, there are some basic things that we need to consider when making a cover design. The first thing that we need to consider is the title of the book. The second thing we need to consider is the type of text we're going to use. What is the text? The alphabet you're going to use, the size of the text, the color of the text, and the image centralization, the object centralization of the cover. So the things that we need to consider. I will pick them one after the other in order to explain to you. Also, we have some tools that we can use to bring out the image. For this cover design that we are trying to do, we're making a cover design for a book called Toxic Habits. The title of the book is Toxic Habits. So I'm going to create a cover design for a book called Toxic Habits. First thing, we're going to look at the title, Toxic Habits. It's a book, self-help book for those who have bad behavior and how you can enhance your bad behavior. So let's go straight to the test. The first thing, let's put in the test. The test. The test. Add heading. Add heading. So write Toxic Habits. Toxic Habits. Centralize it. Toxic Habits. It's a self-help book. So that's the text. Then does it have a subtitle? The subtitle can be the subtitle, how to eliminate bad behavior, how to stop, how strategy for saying no to bad behavior, for saying no strategy. Okay, let's call it preventing techniques for quitting bad behavior, for quitting. I think the subtitle should be how to stop bad behavior. How to stop bad behavior. How to stop bad behavior. Bad behavior. It's more easier to understand. How to stop bad behavior. How to stop bad toxic habits. How to stop bad behavior. So that's the subtitle for our book. So that's the two things we have done at first. The next thing is we're still going to change this font. The next thing is to look at the background. Toxic habit. What does that mean? Something that is very bad. Okay, we talk about this with habits, behavior. So how are we going to get images for that? Here, there are two things we can use. We can use Pixabay and we can use FreePix. So then I'm going to introducing you to Pixabay and FreePix. So let's go straight, minimize, go to Pixabay. Here's my comb. My comb is here. Pixabay. Now, click on Pixabay. Habits. Behavior. Let's type behavior. See, you should know that you don't need to use anyhow picture. Don't just kind of pick this kind of picture and post it in your book. Amazon will not accept it. This is sexually explicit behavior book image, so you don't need to put it. Okay, let's say person that is depressed, someone who is depressed, someone depressed person, depressed person, depressed person. This image is good. I like this image, so let me use this. But in the most time, you don't use people's image for your book, because it may get to the issue that okay, this picture belongs to somebody, so you need to avoid it, and the person may start. So this one is still better, facing the back of the people. You can just look for a means to eliminate the background and use the backward picture. Toxic habits, because people will start. You can have issues with copyrights, because when I say maybe the person is not existing and the person is existing, that's the problem with you writers face sometimes. So it's advisable, if you want to use someone's image, you can generate it on AI. Okay, let us generate an image from AI. I have an AI tools for generating image, free tools for generating image. It's called GenCraft. Send me to update now. Okay, send me to update. I don't have time for that. I want to generate image. Generate image of a depressed person. Depressed person. So generate. Better we use an AI image generator than to use. It's gonna generate. So let's wait for some time for it to generate this image for us. So we need to download it. So we can now go straight to our canvas and upload the image. Yeah, we have downloaded downloaded the Gen app, GenCraft. Sorry, the GenCraft. So we downloaded an image. So we're going to upload the image we downloaded. We upload the image we download. Let's upload it. This is how to upload image. You go to this place, you upload. So we need to upload the image right now. Click on upload file, upload file. Can you see the image is here? Then we click on it. Then we select. The image is uploaded, and we upload it. We click on it, and the image is here. This image is AI image. There can be a distortion. Lest I forget, we are working on a free browser, so we cannot crop this. So if you want to copy it, I recommend you to download a tool is on my phone. It's called Photo Room. Go to Play Store and download Photo Room. You can use Photo Room to crop any image. You want to crop image, you use Photo Room. Photo Room is a great tool for cropping of image. So let's crop this image now. Start photo. Click on this photo. So click on it. So it crops the image. So we click on transparent. So we download our image. How do we download our image? We press this share button. Then press this. Now it tells you remove logo. If you want to remove logo, that means you have to get the pro version. But if you don't have the pro version, then you'll have to leave the logo there. Then we can share to other media, or we save to gallery. Then once save to gallery, we go back to our canvas. Then we upload image again. Upload file. Then we click on the file again. Select. See, without a background now. The image is without a background now. Then we just need to upload it. And that's all. So we delete the previous one. We have this one now. So we can now use this one we have now. No, we don't want that. Yeah. So we can just say this is our image now. Now this is toxic habits. See, toxic habits. How to stop bad behavior. This is an AI generated image. It's not a real image. So look for a rectangle. Tools. Go to elements. Type rectangle. Rectangle. We are not using the pro version, so we cannot use that. So we can just look for an ordinary shape. Let's click on this shape. Ordinary shape. Ordinary shape. Just easy. Just easy method of downloading the cover page. You can make this one color what? Color color color. Can make it radiant color like this. I'll make this one color white. Color white. Toxic habit. Make this one color white again. So it is advisable that you use AI generated tools. So Canvas, you know that this image is an AI generated image. It's not an actual image. Because if it's an actual image, you see, you won't be able to use it. So it's an AI generated image. So we can easily use AI generated image. Or we look for another background. You can look for a dark background for our image. Let's say dark background. Dark background, because something that we're talking about is something that is not so amazing. It's not so amusing. Something that is toxic. So let's use something like this. Toxic. Toxic is something that is not interesting. So we can use a dark background. Let's move this background and use something else now. And use a dark background. Toxic. And use a dark background. So what do we do to this? Simple method we can do to this one now is just to go to what? Position to back page. So how can we, this one is something that we can use something to cover it so that the line will not show. Then we'll get what? We get a rectangular line tools. You can just download, just type line. When you type line, to give you line element. This is pull, so we can't use it. Look for another line that is not pull. This is not the one that is not pull. Let's use this one. You can just actually rotate it. You can rotate it. See how we rotate it? So make sure it's 90 degree. So you can see that this line is here. It's not 90 degree now. You need to adjust it. You know why we are using all this stress? Because we are not using the pro version. Then we can change the color. Change the color to white. It's not still straight. Let me see if I can get a better line instead of us stressing ourselves. Let's click this line. This line is better. Delete. So get this line. Get this line. White line. We don't want them to see this line. So what do we do next? That's that about that. Now we can see that we have made our book. Our book is complete. With this like this, we can sell your book. Toxic habits. How to stop bad behavior. It's simple. A simple design. Then you can, don't forget to write the name of the author. Author's name. Michael Kant. Michael Kant. Michael Kant. Michael Kant. Michael Kant. You see? The other name is Michael Kant. So you can see that now, have you? See that now, that is awesome. So our book is done. So that it's time, the techniques that can be adopted to create a book cover, a simple book cover. As you are learning how to create book cover, you can experiment with techniques. you get more ideas. So that is that about book cover design. Next time, I will teach you more on other apps by which we can use to make book cover. Sometimes you have to, once you start practicing, if you have question, you can drop it on the comments. And please remember to subscribe to this video. And please share, likes, and subscribe. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you for taking your time to listen and watch this video. And I pray you make success in your Kindle journey. Thank you.